Hi guys, it's me Grace again. It's been more than a week. I know, I'm real sorry. I had a little trouble with my last video last week, but I'm hoping you can forgive me and watch this. So, for this video, I was thinking about a lot of things to do. I had a lot of ideas, but I thought about talking about something that I really love and that it's part of me. So, it brings me to fangirling in Twitter. I'm a huge fangirl myself, so this isn't a topic I don't talk about. I pretty much just wanted to tell you some tips for you to get noticed on Twitter. I've been lucky enough to be noticed by some of my idols and some of people I am truly inspired, and I just wanted to help you because I know not all of you have the same luck. Well, I hope these tips help you a little bit. Shall we start? So first of all, I know sometimes you get desperate and anxious about getting noticed, but just chill, relax, don't cry, don't feel bad about it. I know it's really hard because you really love your sunshine, but your time will come, I promise. If you are a true fangirl, I assure you that destiny, God, or whatever that makes everything go around will help you and you'll get noticed, you'll meet them, you'll get that follow or anything. So first of all, just have faith, your time will come, okay? Lesson number 2 is don't act too crazy. I know we don't do keep calm. I know it's really hard to not be all fanatic about anything, but if you tweet them, oh my god, I love you so much, please marry me, or I want to stop your girlfriend, or your girlfriend is a bitch or a hoe or anything, I don't think they'll reply. I think they will mostly, if they see it, something like that, they would get mad. So you don't want them to get mad at you. So don't act too crazy, don't be too harsh. Just at least not in the tweets you actually send them. So I guess that's it. Lesson number 3 is be funny, be silly. Tweet them something random and funny, a joke. It may seem lame or stupid, but it has worked with me. Sometimes I've tweeted just the most stupid thing ever and I've been replied or followed and I'm like, are you serious? But sometimes they just want to laugh, you know? There are people like us too, and sometimes they just want to get laugh or a smile. So you should really tweet something random or funny, and if you are lucky, then they'll probably notice you. So we're done. Those would be my 3 main rules and tips for you to get noticed on Twitter. First, be patient, then don't act too crazy, and then 3 would be tweet them a joke, something random or funny, and I assure you, you will get noticed one day. Last but not least, I wanted to say that I closed the last account for Twitter that I was using and showing here because it was too much for me to handle. So right now I'm just using my fangirl account, which is this. You can follow me and I will follow you back. You don't even have to ask. So I guess I'll see you around. Bye! Thanks for watching.